How to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva AI. Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. So, if you're tired of boring thumbnails and want to boost your views, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Canva AI, even if you have zero design skills. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and go to the canva.com. And here, log in with your account. And once you are logged in, you can see the interface like this. Now here at the top, you can see the option labeled as Canva AI. So simply click on that. And once you click on that, a text box with lots of options will appear. From there, simply click on the option labeled as Design for Me. And after that, a list of options will pop up. From there, simply click on Social Media. And once you click on that, beside that option, you can see the option labeled as Format. So simply click on that, and after that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select YouTube thumbnail. And once you're done selecting it, simply type a quick prompt like colorful thumbnail for a cooking video or anything else. For this video, I'm gonna simply type bold thumbnail for tech tutorials. And once you're done typing, simply press enter, and after that, you just have to wait for some time for Canva to generate your thumbnail. And after that, Canva will generate several stunning thumbnail design based on your prompt. And here you can choose one that fits your video vibe. And once you're done with that, you can click on any text to edit your title, make it short, bold, or super readable. Or if you want, you can even change the image. And if you want to edit furthermore, you can simply click on the option labeled as Use Canva Editor, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are here, you can do many things with your thumbnail. You can drag in a screenshot from a video or upload your photo, or if you want to remove the background, you can even use Canva AI background remover. It's just one click, and you can also use different other tools to adjust your thumbnail to your needs. And once you are happy with the design, you can simply click on the share button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen, to share it with your friends. Or if you want to download, you can simply click on the download button, which can be seen on the pop-up menu. And after that, you need to select the format, and once you're done with that, simply click on the download button again and you are good to go. Now you can simply head to your YouTube studio and upload it to your video. And boom, professional thumbnail made in minutes. And that's it. Using Canva AI, you have just created a scroll stopping YouTube thumbnail that's ready to get clicks. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.